Hello everyone, welcome to Flowing Data channel, and today we are going to continue with the list. Okay, so we have finished the creating and accessing the data from the list. Now today we are going to update the data in list, and updating a list is a piece of cake. Okay, we know how to access individual items, right? So now we just need to update the values of those items, and to do so we will first access the item and assign a new value to it. So let me show you this with the example. Okay, so let's make the list here. Let's create the list 2 5 4 8 9 7. Fine, so we have this list over here, and now I want to update the value 4 here with 6. Okay, with the new value 6. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, list 1. So let me update this value. So it is in the position 0 1 2. It is in index 2. Okay, so list 2 equals to, with the new value I'm going to give 66. Okay, now a equals to list 1. Let's access whole items of the list. Okay, so let's run this. Now let's see if our 4 is updated or not. So you can see in place of 4 there is 66. We assign a new value. Okay, so this is how you update a value in the list. Now we can also add an item at the end instead of replacing the present one. So let's see how to do this. So to add an item at the end of the list, we use append function. Okay, so what you need to do is list1.append. This is the append function which add list at the end of the items. Okay, so list items. So I'm going to add 130. Okay, so let's see if it is done properly or not. So the output here, so see 130 is added at the end of the list. Okay, so in this way you can add repeatedly using append function. You can add as many elements you want in the list, and this can be with a loop. With using a loop you can add multiple items in your list. Okay, so this is all about list, and again in the next video we are going to continue with the list, the last video of the list. So thank you for being with us, and see you in the next video.